Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lincoln MKC key fob. This guide will help you access the internal components for tasks like battery replacement. You will only need a few common household items, like a small flathead screwdriver. We will walk through each step carefully, ensuring you can confidently perform this task yourself. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to complete. Your first step is to retrieve the hidden mechanical key. Look for a small, rectangular button on the side or front of your key fob, usually near the keyring end. Press and hold this button, then gently pull the physical key out. This emergency key allows manual entry if your fob battery is completely dead. Keep it safe, as you will need it later for reassembly. Now, with the mechanical key removed, you can begin to open the main fob casing. Find the seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Carefully insert the tip of a small flathead screwdriver into this seam. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap, then work your way around the entire edge. The two halves should separate with minimal effort, revealing the internal circuit board. Inside, you will find two small, coin-shaped batteries, typically CR 2025 models. Carefully pry out the old batteries, noting their orientation. Insert the two new CR 2025 batteries, ensuring the positive side faces upwards for both. Place the circuit board back into one half of the casing. Align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its slot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.